Hi everyone, this is Card Addict 23 and I'm back and I'm opening up another pack of Dragon Ball. I'm gonna be just opening up straight back-to-back Dragon Ball because I'm opening up packs from this booster box that I got from Japan. It was the last one. I bought it at the Shonen Jump store in Japan, in Osaka, and just got lucky. Like, I asked them what booster boxes they had left, and this was literally their last one. And they're like, "Do you want it?" And I was like, "Hell yeah, I do." I'm praying to the card gods, that we get something really extremely, something very rare and special from this box that I bought. Take out the back of the little QR code thingy. And let's get it started. It's a nice cute Bulma card to start it off. It's always nice getting a little Bulma card. You know, I haven't opened up this set yet, so it's going to be exciting to see what's inside. Boom, we got another rare. Okay, well, not too bad. We've yet to see more, still more to come, so if you like this video, please leave a like, helps me out greatly. It's free to do. Feel free to comment, subscribe, check out my other videos, and stay tuned for more content. And I'll see you guys on the next one.